Hi, hello, welcome to Jeevan Jewels Collections. இன்னைக்கு எந்த மாதிரி collections பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா oxidized jewelries and earrings, neck sets, then பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு gold plated bangles, then gold plated neck set, harams எல்லாம் பார்க்கலாம்னு இருக்கோம். இங்க வந்து all coded jewelries and non coded jewelries available. Coded jewelries எல்லாம் 5 to 10% we are giving the discount. For resellers most welcome. Bulk orders we are giving the discounts and free shippings. Then having more and more collections without payment, no booking, payment through only online payment. See, this is the first one, oxidized neck set with earrings. It's just 299, 299, just 299. In back you are having the adjustable chain. You can adjust for your size. See the picture. German silver neck set with earring, just 299. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Just 299. It's all first quality. We are giving only the wholesale price, so resellers most welcome. Without payment, no booking. We are having more and more collections. See, this is the next one, peacock set earring, peacock set earring and neck set, German silver, blue color. It's a very trending, very fast moving collection too. This price just 280. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Just 280. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. உங்களுக்கு 3 designs, 3 இது கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. See the earrings, match earrings, just 280. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. See, it's very cute and neat. Just 280. Next one, it's a flower design. It's also very fast moving collection and it's a new model too. See, flower type with rose color, 5 flower given in the next set. See the matching earring. This price also just 280. This price also just 280. Having 12 pieces in each design. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Just 280. Oxidized jewelry. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. See, 5 flowers with rose color and matching earring, just 280. If you take more than 5 pieces, we give the discount also. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Next one also. This is the lotus type. Flower with lotus. This price also just 280. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This price also just 280. It's a lotus design. Just 280. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number was 6379702149. Just 280. See, it was so cute and neat. It's also a very trendy collections and very fast moving collection. 5 flowers with lotus design. Just 280. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Next one, it's also a oxidized jewelry neck set. See the finishing, it was so good and neat. It's all first quality. Peacock feather. See the earring, matching earring. This also just 280. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. See, designed with peacock feather. Designed with peacock feather. You are having 6 boxes with earring, matching earring. Just 280. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Just 280. Six boxes. Just 280. Next one, it's a pearl type. See, with lotus design, hanging pearl, hanging white pearl. See, lotus design with hanging white pearl. You are having 5 flowers with hanging pearl, and see the matching earring. In earring also, it's having a hanging pearl. This price also just 280. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. It will look so good and neat for function and all. If you wear means it will look so neat and good. See, it is a glass. It's a glass. So it looks so good. Just 280. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is also an oxidized neck set with full of German silver with hanging balls in silver. See the earring. This is a matching earring. It's in 5. This price also just 280. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. See the finishing was so good and neat. You can wear for all the dresses of colors, all color of dresses you can wear. It's full of oxidize, so you can wear for all the colors of dresses. Take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Just 280. This also just 280. It's all a wholesale price only. Bulk orders we are accepting. We are giving discount also for bulk orders. See the next one. It's a layer of flower design. It's also a very fast moving collection. Five flowers. See the earring. It was so good and neat. If you wear means it looks so pretty. See, it looks so pretty and it matches for all the colors. See the finishing, it was a first quality. This price was just 299. This price was just 299. Who need take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. If you are not seeing clearly in the video, you can WhatsApp us with the screenshot. We will send you the clear images and then you can order. See, in all pieces, in all designs, only 12 pieces available. So who need, book it soon. It's all very fast moving collections. See, this is a star type neck set. 3 stars given in the neck set. This price was just 230. This price was just 230. Who need take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This price was just 230. Who need take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. It's all very fast moving and trendy collection. Star type one. In the star they give one picture also. Just 230. Who need take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Next one, it's a micro gold plated neck set. It's a micro gold plated neck set. See, it's look like real gold with leaf design and matching earring and the matching earring. This price was just 280. This price was just 280. Who need take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. It's a micro gold plated, look like real gold, just 280. See, it's a very fast moving collection. It's having the flower design with leaf. See, in earring also flower design with leaves they given. It's very trendy and unique design. It's also a micro gold plated. See the finishing, it was so good and neat. Just 299. It's all a wholesale price only. Just 299. Who need take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This price was just 299. Who need take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This price was just 299. Next one. This is the neck set. micro gold plated neck set. It's also look real gold. Just 299. This price also just 299. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. In this design it's all having only 5 pieces. So who need, take a screenshot and book it soon. It's all look like real gold. You are having the 6-month warranty also. Having all type of jewelries. See, this is the another one neck set. Neck set with earring, just 299. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This also your one gold plated jewelry. Neck set with earring, just 299. Neck set with earring, just 299. It's all new designs and very fast moving collection. In all designs only having 6 pieces, so book your order soon. Just 299. See, this is a very fast moving haram. It's all look like real gold, and the earrings also having. For this and all we are giving 6-month warranty. For this price you can't get in the market. For bulk orders we are giving discounts also. See, this is the haram. It's a gold plated jewelry. Look like real gold. See the finishing. Multicolors they given. They given a multicolors. See the dollar with a hanging ball, golden balls with multicolor stones. See the haram design. See the earring. This is the earring. Matching earring. Haram with neck set. It's a gold plated. Look like real gold. Just 380. Just 380. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Haram with earring, just 380. Haram with earring, just 380. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Just 380. See the finishing. It's all fast moving collection, and it's all first quality. Just 380. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. In this also you are having designs. See, this is the big haram. It's a big haram. This is also a gold plated haram. Haram with earring. If you wear for the functions and all, it looks so good, and it's look real gold. It's all first class quality. We are having all type of jewelries. For daily updates, we are having the WhatsApp groups. If you join in the WhatsApp group, you will get daily updates also. See, this is the another one haram. See the dollar. It's a hanging steps of $3. Steps of $3 with matching earring. Just $399. Just $399. It's a gold plated jewelry, look like real gold, 6-month warranty, first class quality, just $399. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. If you are not seeing clearly in the video, you can WhatsApp. We will send you the clear image also. Just $399. It's just $399. It's a gold plated haram. Just $399. If you are taking more than 5 pieces, we will give a discount also. We will give a discount also. Having more and more collections. You need more collections, you can WhatsApp us. We will show you the designs. Now we are going to see the some of the bangles collections. See, this is the first one. It's a kada type bangle having all size 24, 26, 28, plain with design. Just 180. Just 180. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. It's a gold plated. It's a gold plated kada type having 24, 26, 28. Just 180. 2 pieces of bangle, just 180. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. If you wear means you can wear for daily wear also. It looks so good and neat. Just 180. Next one. 4 set of bangles, gold plated with full of white stones. Gold plated with full of white stones. For function and all, if you wear night, it will look so grand. 4 set of bangles, only 28 available. Just $299. 4 set of bangles, gold plated with full of white stone. Just $299. Only one size available. All sold. Only one size and one piece available. Just $299. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. See, this is a 4 set of bangles. 4 set of bangles, very trendy and very fast moving collection. 4 set of bangles, gold plated. 4 set of bangles, gold plated. Just $399. Just $399. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. It's a gold plated bangle with 4 set of bangle. Just $399. Having all the sizes 24, 26, 28. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. It's a gold plated. If you wear for the functions and you can wear you can use for daily wear also. See, this is a kada bangle, set of 2 bangle. It's a kada bangle. See the design, flower design. See, it's a flower design. It's a gold plated kada bangle. If you are not seeing clearly in the video, you can WhatsApp us. We will send you the clear images. 2 set of kada bangles. 2 set of kada bangles, gold plated, 242628 size available. Just 200. Just 200. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. See. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. It's also a kada bangle. Big kada. 2 set of kada bangles. See the finishing. It was so good and it's a very fast moving collection. It's also a gold plated bangle. It's also a gold plated bangle. Big kada bangle. Just 299. Just 299. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. It's all a wholesale price only. Just 299. If you wear and all, see, it's look so good and neat. Just 299. All sizes available in this model also. See next one. Set of 4 bangles with multicolor. It's an enamel type. It's a gold plated with enamel. It's a 4 set of bangles having all the sizes 24, 26 to 8. Just 299. Just 299. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. 4 set of bangles. Just 299. 4 set of bangles, gold plated, enamel type. Just 299. For bulk orders, we are giving discounts. You can take any designs in same shipping. See, this is a flower type of bangle. It's also a very fast moving collection. All the sizes available 24, 26 to 8. All the sizes available. Just 380. Just 380. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. See, if you wear and all, it looks so good and neat. Flower type bangle. Just 380. 2 set of gold plated bangle, all size available 24, 26 to 8. Just 380. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is a daily wear bangle. It's a daily wear bangle. Set of 4 bangles. It's a gold plated. Just 199. Just 199. 4 set of bangles, gold plated, daily wear bangle. All sizes available 24, 26 to 8. Just 199. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Just 199. See, this is also a set of 4 bangles. It's a plain type with unique design. 4 set of bangles, daily wear bangle. Just 199. Just 199. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. All the sizes available 24, 26 to 8. All the sizes available. just 199. 4 set of bangles. This is a kada bangle. This is a big kada bangle. You are having the 3 designs. One is flower and other one is leaf. Then other one is ball. 3 designs you are having in this design. See, this is one design. This is this. 2 set of bangles, kada bangle, gold plated. So gold plated, just 350. Just 350. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. It's a kada bangle. See, if you wear one bangle also, it's look so good and neat. Just 350. See, this is one of the bangle, gold plated with unique design. See the bangles. If you are not seeing clearly in the picture, you can WhatsApp us. We will send you the clear image. Just 380. Just 380. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. See, it's a kada bangle. Big size kada bangle. Just 380. If you wear also, just 380. See, this is the another one bangle, plain bangle. It's also a kada type. All size available, 24, 26, 28. Just 220. Just 220. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. We are having more designs. All wholesale price only. You can WhatsApp us for the more designs. Now I am going to show you the combo earrings. Combo earrings, gold plated with AD stones. See, this is a six set of earrings. 6 set of earrings. Just 299. Just 299. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 set of earrings. Just 299. 6 set of earrings. Just 299. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is the 4 set of earring, big bangles, all are gold plated. Just 380. Just 380. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Just 380. See, this is also the 6 set of bangles, earrings. 6 set of earrings, gold plated. Just 299. Just 299. 6 set of earrings. Different types, different designs of 6 sets. Just 299. It's a gold plated. It's a gold plated. It's all a wholesale price, so resellers most welcome. If you are taking bulk, we will give you the discount too. See, this is the another 6 set of earrings combo. Another 6 set of earring combo, just 299. Just 299. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Just 299. See this one, this is the 4 set of earring, just 299. This is the 4 set of earring, just 299, gold plated. It's all a gold plated. It's all very unique and trendy collections only. Just 299. See, this is a gold plated jhumka big earring. This is a gold plated earring, big earring, just 230. Just 230. It's a gold plated earring, big earring, just 230. See the finishing, it looks real 1 gram gold. Just 230. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Just 230. Who need, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. It's a gold plated big earring, just 230. See, if you wear for the function and all, it looks so good and neat. Just 230. Having more and more collections for resellers, we are giving discounts also. For a regular updates, you can WhatsApp us. We will add you in the WhatsApp group, and you can get daily updates. Keep shopping, keep supporting, like our pages. Thank you.